It's a video.
There is surfing.
Oh, I've been to Chagall. Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. Abby here. In today's Vlogmas, what we'll be doing is to explore BGC, which is not far away from Makati. BGC has always been this spot for me that I would always go for night activities. Of course, Makati is renowned for its night activities, but with BGC, it's usually a step up. So I'll be doing a day halfway walking tour through BGC just to see what I've been missing during the daytime and just to explore that whole area, and that is what this vlog is about. BGC here.
BGC. Can take Bendia Bridge, huh?
Yes, sir. It's perfect.
You want Rockwell?
No, Bondia. That's
okay. Yeah, there is, but it's not yet a typhoon.
okay.
Low pressure only.
Oh.
But there is a tendency to become a typhoon.
Oh my God, crazy.
Been here since when?
4 years now.
4 years now. To die? How should I?
Oh my God. Today, I just got it. I just got it. So he dropped me and I am starting to walk. Face shield. Yeah. You don't have? It looks like it's gonna rain. There's a park over there. So I'm just sitting down here and just trying to determine what direction to go to. I am actually not conversant with this area, so I'm just deciding where is more crowded. That looks like the museum. Yeah, the Man Museum is over there, and I don't know what that one is. I don't know what this is, guys. It looks really spooky from afar. Oh, it's a greenhouse. Hydroponics. Alright. The first time that I came to BGC, I got like this New York vibe because of the way the streets were being named. It's a new Zara that is just open here. Looks gigantic though. That is where the Christmas tree is. Hello. Hi. Moved off the popular street, like I don't even know where I am right now. Once again, it's once again. Nice, you all look good. One of my favorite restaurants. Is it around here? Okay, thank you. guy trying to arrest them. I just came across this super cool neighborhood with like arts and kids. I need to get a taxi. I'm going to the American Cemetery. You know where it is?
Yeah.
Alright. Not open?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Noticed that there were some African guys playing football in that field there. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think I'm gonna go close. I'm just gonna take a shot of what they're doing and then continue with my tour. Taxi! Taxi!
And then it's a very crazy driving here, very slow.
Yeah, that one.
Contact.
Who does contact? One more question. When's the mall? When does it close?
8.
8. I'm in this convenience store and I was able to get a facial because I needed to go inside the mall. There is the Christmas tree over there. This is the end of the BGC tour. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.